Everybody. So welcome to the first video in the tutorial series. I am going to walk you through something that should seemingly be, very easy, but we get a lot of questions on support about it. So I wanted to clarify some things about the login. First of all, if you buy a product from us, you'll get an automated email shortly thereafter that says something like, here's a link to your customer login, create a password. So that's one way to get in. Another way to get in is just to merely go to this right here and create one. You click this little face. A lot of websites have them for login purposes. As you can see, though, even if you lose that link on the email, you can create an account right here. As long as you use the most important part right here is the email, and that has to be the email that you use on your order. If you use a different email, for example, as your login, then you're not going to be able to see the purchased product. So the email is the most important thing in this chain. Get a lot of questions about that. So here is, I'll go ahead and put in mine. My password. I think that's it. Let's see. Ding. Well, you know that I'm not a robot. I'm not a robot. There we go. All right, so as you can see, this is your general login portal. And this is the reason that we made this video. A lot of these are test orders that I did myself, just making sure the website worked and everything. Now, this first login is what you can see, kind of like you can manage your address right here. But if you change your address from right here, it'll actually kind of prompt you that looking to update your address for your subscription, manage your subscriptions here. So that's kind of that's your first kind of awareness that you're not in your subscription portal per se. So I'm going to go actually back, and the main button that you want to see is right here. And I could go into how this is built and stuff, but that's not why you're here. You're pretty much here to just be able to get to this thing that we're going to, the subscription portal. Now, during this process right here, a lot of you will be prompted to sign in again. Like it's possible that you won't pass through to this page. Don't worry about that. That's some browsers will prompt you to sign in again. Our website's not broken or anything like that. It's very, very simple idea of that this main subscription portal login is kind of, to put it simply, it's a whole different website that links into our website. So anyway, hope that doesn't confuse anybody, but again, this is kind of the main event right here. This is where you manage your subscription, and we'll get into some more videos kind of talking about this whole login portal. But I just wanted to talk about this little guy right here and logging in for the first time, finding this button to manage your subscriptions. And at this point, making sure that if you get confused on a login again right here, that everything's okay. All right. How did I do?
Dude, that was excellent.
Fluid.
That was
Are you
wonderful.
sure it was all right?
Yeah,
Oh, yeah.
Alrighty. Good job, man.
You're
Good stuff.
you're an actor.
Video
You're an
one.
actor.
Done. Yeah. Woo!